Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you a review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com with any of your wig related questions. So today I'm bringing you a review for Miley by Wigs USA. This is from their WigPro collection and the color on this one is 1416 R8. So very, very cute wavy style. We will get into her in just a moment. Start talking about Miley. So I do want to mention before I get started that Pinky Promise has a code for you to save 30% on this brand, on the WigPro brand all the time. That code is WigPro30. So it's up here and so that you can jot it down. So you will always save 30% on this particular brand. So Miley is a pretty wavy style. She's just right at the shoulders. She kind of brushes the shoulders, so I do think she would brush, she definitely brushed collars and things like that, but she's not long, like flowing down the back or anything. She's very pretty. These fibers are not as shiny as the others that I have reviewed, and they feel a little bit drier. They are just regular synthetic. They're not heat friendly, but they almost have the appearance of like heat friendly fiber. One thing I'm noticing with this particular style is there is some frizzing, and it seems to be tangling a little easier than the other styles that I've tried. So just something to note, about the style. I just want to try to tell you everything that I see so that you can know, get all the information that you need. So anyway, all right, I'll do a turn and we can look at her all the way around and then we'll get into our measurements and stuff. So front, this is my left side. The back is really pretty. My right, and then back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, they don't give a lot of measurements on these. So there is a front measurement of 10 to 11 inches, and then overall, there's a measurement of 11 to 12 inches. So there's a little bit of layering, but not a whole lot. I think there's some layering between whatever this side measurement is and the crown measurement, but just, they're definitely long layers. There's no short choppy layers. There's no bang layer or anything like that. So if you wanted to put a bang in, you could do that, but you'd have to have those trimmed, either trim them or have them trimmed by a stylist and probably, steam them down a little bit. But I think she could definitely have a bag, added in. Weight-wise, she is 3.5 ounces, by the way. Okay, so she is a lace front full mono top. This is one of the ones that I did in the unboxing video that I posted. So we just took a quick look at her. So I think her knotting looks pretty good. It's a little heavy right in here. I just find that their knotting is just a bit heavier than other brands, a bit more obvious. So, and then this is her, she's parted on the left, but you could part her, middle or right as well. But here's what her part looks like on that full mono top. Her ear tabs. I have good coverage. These are listed as fitting petite to average, and I think that that's accurate. They fit me very good in the circumference. They fit me very well ear to ear. And then there's a little bit of extra room where I can see where they stretch up to average pretty easily, forehead to nape. So we will stretch the cap a little when I take it off, but they are listed as petite average. Construction for Miley. So as you can see, that lace front. Now I have mentioned this lace is a little bit thick. It might feel a little rough to some. Full mono top. Again, full mono top has a little bit of a roughness, but I'm not feeling that on my head. But of course I do wear a wig cap. So if you're completely bald, it could be, if your scalp is sensitive, that could be an issue. Felt ear tabs with a big piece of metal. That metal is some of the biggest I've seen actually. So, and then there's plenty of hair on those ear tabs for off the face styling. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has Velcro adjusters and an extended felt nape. Oh, let me check the stretch. Yeah, she's got good stretch. So definitely with, even though she has a petite average fit, she's bigger than like an Ellen Villa or something like that. She definitely has more stretch and, is going to accommodate larger head sizes as well. And her lace front. Looks good. I did note, you can see the transition from lace to ear tab just a little bit there, but when the style's down and everything, and even when I was pulling it back, I wasn't really noticing. Color-wise, 1416R8 is the color on this one. They describe this as a honey blonde blended with a dark ash blonde with a medium ash brown root. I sometimes think this just looks like kind of like an 826 when I look at it. It looks like a brunette with golden highlights. And then other times I see more of a, dirty blonde. So I'm gonna kill the lights here in a minute and we can look at it without the bright light. But I want you to be able to see the highlights, the way the light picks up the highlights. It's a pretty color. I think it's a little harsh on me. And normally 8s, 14s, and 16s work. I'm finding that their shades are a little bit different than other brands that I've seen. So the rooting, it's rooted with an 8. So that rooting is, here at the hairline, anywhere you separate the hair, you'll see the rooting, but it's not a long root or anything like that. Okay, so not much difference when I turn out the lights. Again, I feel like it looks like a dark blonde or a light brown with gold highlights. So here we are under my patio cover. So out here, can you see it's like a little flyaway, and that's what I'm saying, the fibers are just a little dry and a little flyaway, and they kind of frizz a little bit. Here's that lace front, that one apart. So here we are in the natural light, in shade. It's kind of sunny, so it's just gonna glare out. But now I can see those blondes better. So here I feel like I would say it's a rooted dark blonde. I can see where they call it honey. It does have a honey appearance. Part looks really good. Okay, let's talk about styling for Miley. So she's a little challenging to tuck. You can tuck her, but these waves are, they're big barrel curl, kind of a loose barrel curl. So there's a lot of, curl to tuck behind the ears. So, but you can do it. Glasses work, glasses are working fine. With this style, I don't necessarily know that you would tuck it and then you would tuck it if you want to put your glasses up, but, you would probably just have the style down and be putting it on. And these ear tabs are nice and flush up against my face, so I don't have any issues with, getting it behind my ears. So here's glasses up on the head, no problem. But you would definitely have to tuck, put the glasses on, push them up, onto the wig. So, because she's just a little too bulky with these curls to do it any other way. So, okay, so headband. She looks cute with a headband. Headband also would probably maybe keep her a little flatter on top if you don't like that, the way the wig grows a little bit. There's just some styles that do this, and some fibers too. So stick the headband in, that looks cute. She does have this, full lace front, so you can pull, the sides back, bump her up on the top if you want to, She does all that. She's got enough length with these 10 to 11 inch front pieces. You can pull her back and you can clip her. Again, you're gonna have to kind of, work with that a little bit, put it on a wig head probably, work with it a bit, but you can get it back at a half up, half down. She does have an extended nape, so you can do just a little teeny, it kind of comes out like a little bun really. But if you just wanted to get the hair off your neck, if you were hot or whatever. But I think you could also maybe twist it and put a big clip back there, that would hold it. Maybe pull down a curl. Oh yeah, that looks cute. In the front there. So, so she's got some styling potential. She's not super long, but you can definitely do a half up, half down, do some, basic styles with her. And of course you could braid her, and things like that, and do some cute things like that. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. Don't forget, for WigPro styles, there is a code WigPro30 where you can always save 30% on this brand. And also, go to the website and sign up for emails, and you can get a 30% off welcome code. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget, you are absolutely beautiful. Bye!